In today's video, I'm going to teach you free return app Shopify Return app. By the end, you'll know how to find, install, and start using the Return Prime. Return and Exchange app to manage returns and exchanges right inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the main home dashboard, open the Apps section. In the app search, type Prime, then look for the listing called Return Prime, Return and Exchange, and open it. On the app's page, take a moment to scroll through the highlighted screenshots and key details so you understand what the app offers. If you want to see it in action before installing, click View Demo Store to explore the customer experience. When you're ready, click Install. You'll be redirected to Shopify to approve permissions. Confirm by clicking Install again. This connects the app to your store securely and returns you to the app dashboard. Once the app opens, you may see an onboarding prompt. Choose Skip for now if you want to get straight to the dashboard. A brief in-app tour or a couple of pop-ups may appear. Click through the highlighted tips and confirm with OK so you can see the interface clearly. You might notice a referral banner in the dashboard. Clicking Submit a Referral simply opens details about the program. After reviewing, return to the main dashboard. Next, start your free trial so you can fully explore the features. Click Start Free Trial when prompted and follow the on-screen confirmation. If you land on a billing or plan screen, just confirm and then navigate back to the app's home. Now, let's look around. Open the Returns section to see where customer return requests will appear. Switch over to Exchanges to view that workflow, then head back to Returns. To walk through the process, click plus Create New Request. You'll see the form where you'd select an order and specify the return or exchange details. If you're not ready to submit anything yet, click Cancel to close the request window and return to the dashboard. That's it. You've located the app in Shopify, reviewed the highlights, previewed the demo, installed and authorized it, skipped the optional onboarding, acknowledged the quick tips, explored the referral banner, started your free trial, and navigated the returns and exchanges areas, including opening and canceling a test request. With this setup complete, you're ready to configure policies and begin processing returns directly from your Shopify admin whenever you're ready.